Cardinals. Where you at, Blue Jays? Mr. Robin, where are you at? Take a little starling. I haven't seen very many of those house sparrows either lately. Coming back at it here again. I'm not crazy. This is just so fun that I can't help myself. I'm out on the back porch and I'm gonna see what birds come around here this morning. So just an FYI, guys, I'm just out here having a good time. I'm right in the middle of town. You can hear these cars. I'm just your average Joe. I'm just throwing these photos up as they happen. Anyone who takes these photos knows that there's a lot that happens behind the scenes as far as in your Photoshop and cropping in these photos and such. So I'm just throwing these photos up just to show you the moment, in the moment. So let's see what we got here. Yellow throat warbler or whatever it is. But anyway, you guys know me. I'm out here having a good time. It's all fun and games. I just enjoy getting out into God's creation. And even if you watch some of my hunting videos, you know that I'm just kind of in tune with nature. And it's not always about killing, you know, for me. I just like getting out there. And so I've always had a little bit of a eye for photography, and so this is just me trying something new, guys. So don't think that I'm out here being Mr. Know-It-All. As seasons progress, I don't know what the backyard will continue to look like. I just bought some little bird feeders. There's a blue jay. Again, you know, those aren't the spectacular shots that I'm looking for this morning, but I think it's fun and I like editing, so hopefully I can get a couple of really nice photos this morning to incorporate. If you do enjoy this kind of content and like to see more, you can go ahead and get down into to the comments. You can also let me know what kind of photography you like to do and where do you do most of your photography at. Is that at the parks? Is that at the lake? We have a nice little park here inside city limits that you can That was that yellow-bellied woodpecker I seen the other day. I got some really nice photos of it. There's an eastern or European starling. Trying to learn my birds a little bit too. Again, I'm no pardon, behind the tree. Two cardinals on one tree. I just put up that feeder this morning. I think they found it. It's going to get so thick back here that we're two cardinal waiting in line. Thick. Cardinal's still eating.